when we compare one chemical to another, it must be done on a mole-to-mole ratio using a balanced chemical equation. In this problem, we're given an amount of a chemical in grams, so we're going to have to convert that to moles prior to comparing it to the other chemical. Here we've determined the formula weight of the iron oxide, so we're ready to start with the measured number in the statement of the question. So we've used our conversion factor here to convert between grams and moles, and we see that units of grams cancel out. We now know how many moles of our iron sulfide we have. To compare it to sulfur, we need a balanced chemical equation. This initial equation is not balanced. Let's start with 1. That means we have 2 irons, we have 2 of these, 3 sulfurs, 3 of these. All right, so now we have our balanced chemical equation. We can use that to write a mole-to-mole conversion factor. We've set up our conversion factor such that moles of iron sulfide cancel. This gets us to moles of sulfur that is produced, but to get to grams of sulfur, we need to incorporate the atomic weight of sulfur. We get the atomic weight of sulfur from our periodic table. We now can calculate the grams of sulfur. We'll write down our calculator answer and worry about sig figs. Looking at sig figs, 3 sig figs, 5. This is exact, so it's not going to affect sig figs. 4 sig figs, 3 sig figs in our answer. Our first number to be dropped is less than 5, so we round down and we have our final answer.